A carefree weekend, a clear, crisp lake, and good friends to share the adventure ahead. This is your invitation to the Malibu lifestyle in the new 23 LSV, the world's best-selling towboat ever. It's bold, spacious, advanced, and handcrafted to the highest standards. The look is sleeker for 2018. The hull is deeper for more storage, and the interior offers even more versatility and comfort with a new WakeView bench seat. Malibu technology remains unsurpassed for the best wakeboarding and surfing on the water, with the Power Wedge 2, Surf Gate, and Digital Command Center. This is much more than a day on a boat. It's the ultimate way to recharge all your senses. It's sunning, laughing, and soaking in all the moments and memories that make up a perfect day. This is Malibu life on the new 23 LSV.